In the old farmhouse kitchen, warm floorboards and laughter, we gather round the table, hearts beating in sync after Mama's cornbread and gravy, a taste of childhood's embrace. Generations linked by stories, etched in time and grace. Daddy's warm guitar leans against the hearth, strumming chords of memories, melodies of worth. Grandma hums along, her apron dusted with flour, her love, a timeless recipe, our sweetest bower. Family bonds like oak roots, deep and true. Through storms and sunsets, we find our view. Traditions woven in quilts stitched with care. In this country, kinship, we're forever there. Forever there. Sunday mornings, hymns echo through the pines. Children's laughter twirls like wind chimes. Uncle Joe's fishing tale spun by the creek, a legacy of resilience, lessons we seek. The old porch swing sways, cradling secrets shared. Cousins, siblings, kinfolk, our hearts bare. We dance barefoot on dew-kissed grass. In this patchwork of love, no threat shall pass. Remember the 4th of July, fireflies ablaze, picnics by the river where time slows its pace. Grandpa's weathered hands, calloused and wise, he taught us to mend fences, reach for the skies. And when life's storms brewed, we sought refuge here around the pot-belly stove. Whispers of cheer, the old family Bible, pages worn and frayed, an anchor in the tempest where faith stays. So raise your mason jars, let moonshine flow, to kinship unbroken, to seeds we sow. In this country ballad, our hearts entwine. Family bonds forever, our sweet moonshine.